This is solution of exercise 4.1 NCERT class 11th complex number chapter. Question is, express the given complex number in the form a plus iota b, that is 5i into minus 3 upon 5i. Now 5i into minus 3 upon 5i can be written as 5 into I into minus 3 upon 5 cancelled, so minus 3i square, and you know I square is minus 1, so minus 3 into minus 1, that is 3. So your format of a plus ib is 3 plus iota into 0, because imaginary term is 0. Next, you can see question number 2. Express the given complex number in the form a plus iota b, that is I power 9 plus I power 19. Now I power 9 can be written as I power 4 into power 2, that is 4 to 8 plus 1, I power 1. Okay. I power 19 can be written as I power 4, that is 4 4 is 16 plus 3 for 19, so I power 3. So I power 4 you know 1, and 1 square is 1, it's 1 into I. This is I power 4, that is 1 power 4, that is 1, and I cube, I square into I. You know I square is minus 1, so next time this is your I plus 1 into minus 1 into I. So finally I plus minus minus and I. So I minus I is 0. So in this way we are getting 0 plus I 0. Third question, express the given number, that is I power minus 39. So I power minus 39 we make it positive by bringing it into the denominator side, 1 upon I power 39. 39 can be written as 4 9 36 plus I power 3. I 4 is 1 power 9 is 1. I cube is I square into I, that is 1 upon minus I, because I square is minus 1, so minus I. Now minus I we can make it, we send this I to the numerator side. For that we will multiply by I and I on the both side, numerator and denominator. So this will become minus I square, and this is I. Minus I square is, again minus is for this minus sign, and I square is minus 1, so minus minus plus, you are having I. So a plus ib can be written as 0 plus I into 1. Question number 4, express the given complex number in the form a plus ib. This is your number 3 into 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7 plus iota 7. So just simplify it. 3 7 is 21, 3 7 is 21i, I into 7 7i, I square into 7. So 21, and this I square is minus 1, so minus 7. 21 plus 7 is 28i. 21 minus 7 is 14 plus 28i. So this is your a plus ib format. Now question 5, express the given complex number. This is 1 minus iota minus within bracket minus 1 plus iota b. Simplify it. 1 minus iota minus 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 plus, okay, this minus, so minus iota 6. So you are having 1 minus iota minus minus 1 minus iota 6. So 1, and this minus minus plus 1, so 2 minus I minus 6i minus 7i. So simple it is, simple algebra is there. Only thing you have to understand iota meaning. Okay, that is I square is minus 1, I power 4 is 1, and so on. So this is your question. 1 upon 5 plus iota 2 upon 5 minus within bracket 4 plus iota 5 upon 2. So make it together. The real part, imaginary part, 1 by 5 minus 4, iota common, 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. So this will LCM 5 4 is 20, 1 minus 20 upon 5 plus iota, 5 2 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 5 5 is 25. So this is minus 21 upon 10, this is minus 19 upon 5, so minus 19 upon 5 plus iota minus 21 upon 10. Question number 7. Express the given complex number in the form a plus iota b. 1 upon 3 plus iota 7 upon 3 plus 4 plus iota 1 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 plus iota. Again make it together real numbers. So 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 iota, so 7 by 3, 1 by 3, and minus 1, because minus plus minus, and this minus minus plus, so 4 by 3. Take LCM 3, so 3 4s are 12, 1 plus 12 plus 4. This is iota. 3 LCM 7 plus 1 minus 3. So you can see, simplify it. 12 plus 1 13 plus 4 17 upon 3. 7 plus 1 8 minus 3 5 upon 3. So this is your expression. Question number 8. Express the given complex number in the form 1 minus iota power 4 as a plus ib. So 1 minus I power 4 can be written as 1 minus I square whole to the power 2. This is a minus b square, so 1 plus I square minus 2i. So I square is minus 1, so 1 minus 1 minus 2i whole square. 1 minus 1 cancels, so minus 2i whole square. So minus 2 square and I square. Minus 2 square is 4, I square is minus 1, so minus 4. Question number 9. 1 by 3 plus 3i power 3. So a plus b whole cube. So a cube, 3a square into b, 3ab square and b power 3. So simplify it. This is 1 by 27. This is 3 3 is a line, so 1 by 3 into 3i. So 3 3 again cancels, only I. Here 3 into 1 by 3 and this is 9i square and this is your 3 power 3, so 27i power 3. So 3 3 is cancelled. So you are getting 1 by 27 plus iota plus this is 9i square means minus 1, 9 into minus 1. This is minus 27i because I square is minus 1 and I is so 1 upon 27 minus 9 and minus 26i because minus 27i plus I. Now you can simplify this. 27 into 9 is 243. So 1 minus 243 is minus 242 upon 27. This is minus I 26. Now come to the 10th part. Again this is the expression minus 2 minus 1 by 3 iota power 3. So again a minus b, sorry, a plus b whole cube you have to break. A is minus 2, b is minus 1 by 3 iota. So minus 2 cube minus 1 upon 3 I cube minus 3 ab and a plus b. So simplify it and you will get the values. So question number 11. Again find the multiplicative inverse 4 of minus 3i. So multiplicative inverse means 1 upon 4 of minus 3i. So we will make it conjugate. We will multiply this expression by conjugate so that denominator becomes a real number. So 4 minus 3i conjugate is 4 plus 3i. So 4 plus 3i divided by 4 plus 3i. So 4 plus 3i and this will give you a square minus b square. So 4 square minus 3i is I square. 4 plus 3i 16 minus 9. So 25. So this is your expression. Again find the multiplicative inverse. So again 1 upon root under 5 plus 3 iota. We will make it for denominator as real number. So we will multiply by its conjugate in the numerator and denominator. So conjugate is the just opposite of the sign, given sign. The sign before iota will be changed. So root 5 plus 3 iota you will multiply by root 5 minus 3 iota in the numerator and the denominator. Then simplify. Root 5 minus 3 iota, this will give a square minus b square. So 5 minus 9. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So your expression will be root under 5 by 14 minus 3 upon 14 iota. Question number 3. Multiplicative inverse of minus iota. Again minus iota means 1 by minus I. Now we will again make it real so that we can multiply by its conjugate. So minus iota is there, so we will multiply by iota. Iota. So this is minus I square. So minus into minus 1. So plus 1. This is I. So I. Express the following expression in the a plus iota b. Again, this is the large expression. It is seeming is large, but it is very simple. 3 plus iota root 5 into 3 minus iota root 5 divided by 3 plus 2 square root of 2 iota and root 3 minus iota root 2. So this is a plus b minus b and this is your a plus b minus a minus b. So simplify it. A square minus b square. 3 square minus iota root 5 square. And this will root 3 plus root 2i minus root 3 plus I root 2. So root 3 cancel. So 2 root 2 iota. This is 9 minus I square 5. So I square is minus 1. So 9 plus 5, 14 upon 2 root 2i. Now denominator we have to make it into by multiplying its conjugate so that it comes in the numerator side. So we'll multiply by I and I. So I square root 2 I square, that is root 2 into minus 1, and this 7I. So finally our value is 7 root 2 upon, again we will make it rational, so root 2 multiplied, 7 root 2 upon 2 iota. So A plus IB is 0 plus iota minus 7 by 2 root 2.